Welcome to Air Interface. Today, we are diving into the deep technical process of LTE attach and call flow. In our last video, we looked at what a handset test engineer does. Today, we are going deep under the hood of wireless protocols. When you take your phone out of airplane mode, it initiates a complex sequence of messages with the network in less than a second. If a single packet drops, your phone fails to connect. This detailed technical process is exactly what you will be quizzed on in critical interviews at companies like Qualcomm, Apple, or major carriers. Grab a notebook and let's break it down. Before we show the messages, let's meet the main players in the LTE architecture. First, the UE, which is your smartphone modem. Next, the eNodeB, which is the cell tower. And the MME, or Mobility Management Entity, the brain of the control plane that handles security and authentication. Then we have the HSS, the Home Subscriber Server, which is the master database of your user profile, and the SGW and PGW, which are the serving and packet data network gateways that route all your internet traffic. We begin with Phase A, the physical and radio setup, handled at the Radio Resource Control, or RRC, layer. Step 1 is the Random Access Channel, or RACH, procedure. This is where your phone sends a preamble to the eNodeB, essentially asking for the cell tower's attention. Step 2 is the RRC connection setup. The phone and the tower establish a basic signaling connection. In your logs, look for RRC connection request, RRC connection setup, and RRC connection setup complete. Moving into Phase B, authentication and security, which is controlled by the non-access stratum, or NAS, layer. Step 3, the attach request. The phone now sends its unique identity, either the IMSI or the GUID, via the eNodeB to the MME in the core network. Step 4, authentication and ciphering. The MME checks with the HSS to verify you are a valid subscriber. Key security keys are generated, so your session is fully secured. Finally, Phase C, session management and IP allocation, where your actual data pathway is established. Step 5 is the location update, telling the HSS where you are. Step 6 is the default bearer setup, where the SGW and PGW assign your phone its essential IP address. Step 7, the attach accept. The network confirms the setup, sending an RRC connection reconfiguration message. Your phone sets up its data pipelines, and the 4G or LTE icon finally lights up on your screen. To stand out in your interviews, you need to understand more than just the steps. Here are 2 pro engineering tips. Tip number 1. Access stratum, or AS, messages stop at the cell tower. Non-access stratum, or NAS, messages travel all the way to the core network's MME. Tip number 2. The initial attach always creates a default bearer, Quality of Service Class Identifier 9, for general browsing. Voice calls later require a dedicated bearer, QCI 1, for high-priority voice data. That is the complete LTE attach flow, from power on to data transmission. I hope this technical deep dive was useful for your studies. Mastering this flow is essential for anyone aiming for a protocol or core network engineering role. In our next video, we are going to open a real Wireshark log and trace these exact messages packet by packet. Drop your questions below and subscribe to Air Interface to master wireless engineering.